Hey guys, here we're inside the house, Aguilar's property. This is where we're thinking about putting the return. And then up on top of the roof, that's where the parapet was located. That's where we're going to be running the supply from the package unit, basically across this, over here. And then on this side of the house is where the cooler's located. And that's where we're going to tap in on the other one. And then this is the old return for the heater for the furnace. Once we open this up, we need to put a duct board further up to seal it. And then the homeowner at a later date is going to sheetrock this and clean it up. But if we can seal it so no air's coming in, that'll be perfect. And then Mr. Hurley, as far as the thermostat location, I'm probably gonna say around this area, so it's close to the return. If you have a better location, let me know. This is where the current system is located. So right here might be a good spot as well. If you need anything, this is Frank. Thank you.